Hey guys, welcome back. Wanted to show you a little thing I got from Mattel, but first I wanted to show you a gift from a friend of mine. These are red editions, so exclusive to Target. Also kind of hard to find, like I'm finding a treasure hunt. You're not really gonna find these often, but he got really lucky. Well, he's been getting really lucky with the at Target with the red editions, but these are some of the ones that he got for me since I haven't found these. But look at these, look at the C10, clean. And then the DeLorean, got two, probably opened one of them. It's a red edition, but there's really not much of any red on there. Still nice casting. And then moving on to regular treasure hunt, the Tooligan, and two on the back. There's the logo. There you go, congratulations. Also got he got me a 5-pack of the Hot Wheel Flames. There's some of the ones that I collect, but so really nice castings. But I think the Chevy C10 is gonna be my favorite out of these. But this is something I ordered from the Skyline exclusives, and it's the 1972 Skyline. These aren't numbered, but it's a little something I got for myself. And these also are exclusive. You can only get them at MattelCreations.com. It's a Redline exclusive. Must have a membership for these. And again, these you can only find at at Target, the red editions. But it's a nice little gift. And then just a nice little gift to myself as well. But that's going to be it for these. And I'm going to go ahead and end it with the hunt at a Family Dollar. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm at Family Dollar again. Got another case. Looks empty up here, but they got a nice little sale going on for this track or launcher. And buy 2 Hot Wheels and you get one of them for free. So let's check out the case. So looks like we got a seat case. Another seat case. Yep. There's a seat case. The Hummer. This is something good. Here we go. Honda Civic. I'll take that one. I believe. Yep. Here it is. The one I've been looking for. Back to the Future. Yeah. And hover mode. Look at that. Definitely taking that one. I'll be looking for a few more of those. Seatcase, I believe, is a BMW. That's supposed to be the Super, and the treasure hunt is going to be a Tooligan. Mr. Foley. I got the Ford F-150, Stingray, Drift and Brake, Batmobile. What's this Volkswagen? It's an awesome T2 pickup. Be taken out too. Look at this thing. From the Legends tour. Remember I went to the Baldwin Park stop one year. There's the Raptor. Those get a little crazy. I uploaded a video of the Camaro. I uploaded a video. I was going crazy at the dump-ins. It's a nice event. Though, great for the family, for kids. The Humvee. They have life-size Hot Wheels there. The mod rod. I uploaded a video, like I said, if you want to check that out. There's Porsche. Here's El Segundo Coupe. Found some. Said I found some. What? I found like some good ones, but I haven't found like the what's supposed to be a super treasure hunt in this one.
Really?
That was nice.
Won't it say it on here somewhere?
No.
They used to.
Yeah, like they used to say it on the side as well. Right here. Oh, right here in the bottom. McLaren GT, Audi, limited grip. Sounds like she knows her Hot Wheels. The dude used to say it at the bottom, and then on the side, he used to say treasure hunt. So that's the top, and we see the bottom. So I know I haven't been uploading much, but I haven't really had a chance to go out. Here's another Honda Civic. I'm gonna leave that one though. Start going now and trying to get some more content for you guys. I also have a TikTok if you want to check it out there. I think I upload a little bit more on there now. Barbie car and a Jeep. I'll take the Barbie car. Damn, so I haven't came across either car, the Tooligan or the Super, which I believe it has to. I think it's the BMW. There it is. It's not the Super, but I think it's this one. It's supposed to be the Super. See what these got. The Charger. Another Barbie car. It's another Raptor. This one. Oh yeah. Take that one too. Another Skyline. We'll leave that one behind. There's no Tooligan in here. Ooh. Yep. Taking that one. Looks like that's it. No Super, no regular treasure hunt, but these are the ones that are found. So that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, leave a comment, and turn your notifications on for future videos.